Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to forward the date to end of the month in MS Excel. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the MS Excel file. So here you can see some of the dates. I will try to add one or other two dates, 2018 and 1606 2009. Okay, so here you can see some of the dates. Okay, suppose if you want to forward this date to some of the specific month and you want that specific date to be end of the month. For example, so here you can see the 5th of August 2020. Okay, suppose if I forward this date to 1 month, means like it will become like September 5th, 2020. And if I want the end of that particular month date, means like it will become like either 30 or 31st based on that particular month. Okay, and here if I want to forward the date to 1 or 2 months, means again it will move on to the 6th or 7th of that particular month. And if I want that particular date to be end of the month, means like again it will become 30 or 30th of that particular month. Okay, so now let's see like how we can forward this date to the end of the month. End of month date. Okay, so for that you can use the formula is equal to EO month, and here you can select particular date, comma, and here you can specify like how many months you want to forward. Like suppose if I want to forward it for 1 month, and if I want that date to be end of the day, end of the month, means like here it will become either 30th or 31st of September, that is ninth month. So here you can see the September is having 30 days in the year 2020, and the end of the month will become like 30th of September 2020. And here you can drag till wherever you want. So that will become end of the month for that particular date. Okay, so this is how you can forward the date, and you can forward the date to the end of the month for the specific number of months you want. Okay, suppose if I want these other dates to some other months, that also you can do it, is equal to EO month, and here you can select this specific date, comma, if I want it for some 5 months, and you can close it, and here you can see 31st of 2020. And here if I want it for 3 months, means that also you can do EU month. If I want it for some 3 months, that also you can do. Select it. Here you can make it as 3. Okay, so for whichever the month you want, you can do it. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.